And sure, today, Coonla is a legend, an Irish spirit of the night, but it began with a real man. And she told him, "Get away, I'm not interested in you. Go to the other side of the room." And when he got there, she'd be winking at him. And he thought, there's something here now. So he advanced on the house that evening. She left the door unlocked and a light in the window. Let's see what happened. Keishiniata lagin the glaka, Keishiniata lagin the glaka. Who is that there knocking me ditches down? Misha haina de Coonla, Coonla creena terranish garadum, Coonla creena terranish garadum. Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Coradum shinis de Coonla, well maybe I shouldn't, says Coonla. Who is that there tapping me window pane? Who is that there tapping me window pane? Who is that there breaking me window pane? Misha haina de Coonla, it's only meself, says Coonla. Coonla creena terranish garadum, Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Coradum shinis de Coonla, well maybe I shouldn't, says Coonla. Who is that there raking the far for me? Keishini atatara plodium. Who is that there raking the far for me? Misha haina de Coonla, it's only meself, says Coonla. Coonla cree, don't come any near me. Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Coonla cree na terranish garadum. Coradum shinis de Coonla, well maybe I shouldn't, says Coonla. Who is that there dragging me blanket off? Who is that there dragging me blanket off? Who is that there pulling me blanket off? Misha haina de Coonla, it's only meself, says Coonla. Coonla creena terranish garadum, Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Well, maybe I shouldn't, says Coonla. Coradum shinis de Coonla. Keishini atatakas moanaka, Keishini atatakas moanaka. Who is that there tickling the toes of me? Misha haina de Coonla, it's only meself, says Coonla. Coradum shinis de Coonla. Coonla creena terranish garadum, Coonla creena terranish garadum. Coonla dear, don't come any near me. Well, maybe I shouldn't, says Coonla. Coradum shinis de Coonla. Well, maybe I shouldn't, says Coonla.